welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Kelly and I'm so happy to have you here. So today we are in Hammersmith walking along the Thames, and on the other side of that bridge there is Barnes for those who are curious. And it is June 28th, the day of the Indiana Jones premiere, and my friend and I figured why not come see it on the day of the premiere, so that is exactly what we did. And we did a little dinner and a movie night, so we went to Sam's Riverside for dinner. I arrived a little bit early, so I sat down and looked through the wine menu and the regular menu while I waited. I'm still going through my Aperol Spritz era, but when I looked at the menu and saw an English rosé from Kent, I figured I had to try it, so that's what I got. And then of course when my friend arrived, she ordered an Aperol Spritz, and I was a tiny bit jealous, but I was very happy with my rosé. And then for dinner, my friend got a hamburger, which looked amazing, and I definitely want to try that if I ever go back. And then I got a butternut squash gnocchi, which is the vegan option on the menu, and it was really delicious. And then for dessert, my friend ordered a pavlova, and I got the vegan option, which was the lemon sorbet, and they actually make it in-house, so it's nice and fresh, and they serve it in the lemon that it came in, which is really cool, perfect for a summer dessert. And then after dinner, we headed over to the Riverside Studios, which is right next door to the restaurant, and you can even access it from inside the restaurant, so it's the perfect option for a dinner and a movie night. I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you for watching. Bye!